got lucky. I did not see this chapter in my life coming. Maybe that was a lesson in life, is that as we grow older, sometimes we become a little less receptive to surprise changes in our life. I felt like the day I showed up here, I walked across the Brooklyn Bridge. I was thrilled to see it firsthand, and there was no turning back. I've been here since. During my time as a student in Bloomington, I most definitely did not know that I wanted to work in a restaurant and become a chef. And the openings that I achieved through studying languages at Indiana University gave myself an introduction to a world that I wouldn't have had, had I pursued a much more tactile approach to working. With a little hindsight, I think that a lesson learned from the path that I took is that if you continue to follow your heart, boy, it's surprising how many interesting things you might find. Walking in the door every day, you feel a sense of responsibility to uphold all the work that was done before us. I've been here for 12 years now. You learn something new every day. Gramercy Tavern is each and every day, with every dish and every gesture, a story that we're telling that's supposed to be unique to this place and hopefully unique to this specific time. You cannot hold back. It's such a big and busy and beloved restaurant that there's no hiding. Of all of the things that I learned as a university student, I love the fact that I learned to polish my reading, writing, and speaking skills. Every single day that I work in a restaurant, the way in which we are able to process information, the way in which we communicate that and share it with people is the essence of who we are and how successful we become.